Okay. Well, this video is kind of late, but I need to show you something. This. Now this thing, it's... Why don't I just... see if this works better. It's an over button. As you can tell, it's fender resistant. I just got this. I actually got it for Christmas, so... The buttons light up if you plug them into the wall. Come in this box thing. In fact, the elevator buttons are always in one of these whenever they're hooked up to the wall in the elevator and stuff. They have this thing for the electrical work. Of course, Bernie, which is someone I know, hooked them up to this. And put a plug on it so you can plug it into the wall. They're going to throw them away, so he took them and hooked them up to this box. And now I have this, 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 and this. These indicators, and my battery is low, so it might die anytime. Buttons. More buttons. Which they don't really press because they don't have a spring in there yet. An indicator. And a bell. Indicator bell. This is not an alarm bell. So this would be the newest one because it might have actually came from ThyssenKrupp, but door is the same, has the same buttons, so. And these are Westinghouse, Alderson, Westinghouse, and Westinghouse. I might be getting more buttons.